This conference will now be recorded.
Hey Nanda.
Hello?
Hey Nanda, hi.
Yeah, hi. So noise, Melvin. It's very so noise. Okay. Now okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday import wizard, you have any doubt?
No.
Today we discuss on the data loader and the approval process.
Okay.
Data loader, approval process. Okay.
Okay.
Today I have any doubts regarding for the yesterday class data management. What data loader and import wizard?
అర్థమైందన్న
Okay. Melvin mute. Yes, thank you. Okay. So data loader. Data loader is the third party ETL tool. It is a ETL tool which runs on the Salesforce platform. Okay.
Okay.
So mainly it is used on to insert the bulk data, to insert or update or upset or delete. Okay. To insert, to update or upset, delete, mainly using on the bulk data. Generally in 1 or 2, 3, 4, max 15 to 20 records you can enter manually, but you have entered in the thousands, millions of records by using on the data import wizard as well as the data loader. But in the data import wizard is on demand, means no need to install the software, predefinedly Salesforce providing on the own application, Salesforce application. So yesterday we seen about the how to insert the data import wizard, right? So today we discuss about the how to insert the bulk data in by using on data loader. Before going to using this data loader import wizard, first of all, you recognize that on which object I need to import the data. And once your object is chosen, next in that object contains any mandatory fields, any required fields is there. Second one, any validation groups is there, any workflows or process builder running, and final one is any triggers is fired. Okay. So once you check everything, then you can insert the data, or you can update the data, or you can upset the data, or you can delete the data. Clear?
Yep.
Clear, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is a data loader, right? So first of all, we log in onto the data loader. My internet is so fast. One second. Huh? Yesterday I discussed about what is a auth and what is a password authentication. What is a password authentication?
Right.
Okay. So right now I'm using the auth. It asking the what is it is asking the production or sandbox. Okay. Asking about the
Okay.
production and sandbox. Right now we are not using the sandboxes. Right now we are not using the sandboxes. But only this developer org is the production org. This developer org is a production org. But in real time, okay, if you go for any real project, at the moment you are not working on the production org. Because of in the production org is a completely in the real time purpose, means you can't modify the production org. You can't modify the production org. If you want to any modification is occurred only on the sandboxes only. Only on the sandboxes only. Okay, clear, right?
Yep.
Both of you. So what? Login. System. So this is the node hardware. So verification. Oh. Just a moment. Login. Next. See, these are the our standard objects as well as the custom objects. Standard objects and the custom objects. Okay. Standard objects and custom objects. So on which object I need to insert the data. On which object I need to insert the data. So yesterday we install on the we install the one application, one app exchange application, right? So this is the Salesforce UI. So if you want to go for the any applications like standard applications or the custom applications, you see this one.
Yeah.
This is,
The menu bar.
yeah, just click on it.
Indian ID?
It is sorry.
Huh? What is this?
Maybe applications in app menu.
App menu.
Okay.
Yeah, app menu.
Surya, what noise are you
Predefinedly-
making?
What?
Surya is making noise, not me, Nanda.
No, man, I'm not making any noise here. I kept my.
Actually, regularly he is in mute. Surya.
Okay.
Okay. So in Lightning, we see this side now app menu. In Lightning, in Classic, this side one app menu is there now. Beside of the setup menu, they have one app menu is there, right? So likewise in Lightning, they have this dot symbol is called as the app menu. This dot symbol is called as the app menu. Just click on the view all. If you click on the view all, so these all are the standard applications and the custom applications is there. Standard applications and the custom applications is there. Yesterday we installed on the Dream Invest. Yesterday we installed on the Dream Invest application. In the Dream Invest application is not open in the Classic. Application is not open in the Classic, but in the objects we can work on in the Classic. In the objects we can work on the Classic. Why this application is not working? Because of this application is completely designed by the Lightning Web Components.
Okay,
No,
this was
not third party.
Okay.
This is the completely developed by the Lightning Web Components. Means UI is different. UI is different. The Classic complete UI will be on the Visualforce only. Visualforce pages. But in the Lightning, using on the two programming languages. One is the Euro components and second one is the Lightning Web Components. Lightning Web Components and the Euro components. Clear it, both of you?
Yeah.
So is that reason only we can work on the, we can't open in the Classic. Okay. So just click on the Dream Invest. See, these all are the tabs. These all are the tabs. Whatever in the object in the application contains, these all are the tabs. Okay. Sectors, funds, loans. These all are the tabs. Okay. In the sector contains any data. Go to the all. No, right? The sector contains no data. Both of you clear, right? In the sector object contains one single data also is not there in sectors. So I need to insert the data in sectors object. I need to insert the data into the sectors object. Let's see. Go to, select the sector object. Select the sector object and choose the CSV file. Choose the CSV file. Means in the CSV file is there in my downloads. Just click on the open. So both of you understand, right? What I'm saying and what I'm doing.
Hey, this thing is the Dream.
Sorry.
That's a default application that we'll have to use.
So yesterday he has created that.
Yesterday I installed now one app exchange application.
Okay.
Don't worry, I can forward the link. Don't worry, I can forward the link.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
In that link only, in the sectors object CSV file also is there. Just download on it. Just work on it.
Okay.
Okay. So just choose the sector object, and that CSV file is there in my download section. That CSV file is there in my download section. Otherwise, just click on the browse. You see this one, sectors CSV file, comma separated value file, comma separated value file. You see this one?
Yeah.
Size 411 bytes, data modified. So just select on it. Okay. Click on the next. See here in that CSV file contains 26 records. In the CSV file contains 26 records. Okay. Clear, right? In the CSV file contains 26 records. Okay. And you can map the values because of in the CSV file is a third party file, right? This is not, the file is not belongs to Salesforce. Am I right? And the CSV file is not belongs to the Salesforce. So this is a Salesforce object records. Okay. This is a Salesforce object records. Otherwise, I will show you. See this one. These two are the fields. These two are the fields. Sector ID and name is the these two are the fields. Okay. These are the data. These are the data. Clear, right?
Yep.
So in the name field, we can identify on the sector name. Sorry, sector name. In the ID consists of the we can there is the sector ID.
Okay.
Just drag and drop only. Just drag and drop only. And one more thing, you don't worry about the what is this fields and everything will given on the client. Everything will be given on the client.
Okay.
Okay. So be on the practice only. How to 1 second. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay. So just we can how to work on the okay what is the process. Okay, just you can practice on this. Rest of the things will be given on the client.
Okay.
Clear, right? So name and sector ID. Just click on OK. Next, in the success means if you find is success or failure. Okay, in the success or failure, we can save in the one folder. Okay, we can store in the one folder. That is okay. Just a moment. Okay, desktop. Just click on the finish. Okay. See, this operation has successfully completed. Here 26 records are inserted and zero errors. You see there, right? 26 successful inserted and zero errors. And zero errors.
errors
Here you can find on the number 26 is a successful and zero errors. Zero errors.
Okay.
Here you can find zero errors and 26 is a successful. Clear, right? If you want to check on it, just click on the view success. These are our success status. Just click on the view errors. They have no errors. Clear?
Yeah. Basically, what errors would you get?
What errors means mismatch in the ID or the data type.
Okay. It's like a lookup that you're trying to do, or you're trying.
Not lookup. Basically, we entered on in manual, right?
Right.
So, on which data type you manual entered in the phone data type you entered on the numbers. In email format you entered on the email format. So in that email format you map with the text format or the number format, then automatically mismatch.
Okay.
So that time only the errors will become.
Okay.
Complete operation will be failed. Why?
Because
it
it found an error.
No. It is an automatic process.
Okay.
Okay, so in one single record, sorry,
26 ఉంటాయా?
అర్థం కాలేదు సూర్య.
ఈ డ్రీమ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ లో మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసిన 26 ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయా? 26 సెక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయా? యా,
These
26
are all the
సెక్టర్స్.
records, right?
ఓకే ఓకే.
See, these are
ఇప్పుడు ఆ
26.
రికార్డ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ యాప్ లోకి వచ్చేస్తుందా మొత్తం?
Automatically, సూర్య సెక్టర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నా just see.
ఓకే
See, is there na?
26 objects.
Not 26 objects. This is the records.
Sector records, yeah.
This is the records. This sector, sequence, contact is comes on. This is the object. But in the object, in the user interface will be comes on in the tab format. The tab format. Yeah, my again you go in the front.
Records, okay.
Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
Insert operation. So next to go for the update operation. Next to go in the update operation. Second. Next to go for the update operation.
Update.
When did we go for the update operation? When did we go for the update operation?
When you want to update record, maybe.
Anything. Suppose if we miss anything, just we can update.
Update, yeah.
Means once record is successfully, then we can update, right? Once data is saved, then we go for the that record will be modified, right? This process is called as the update process, updation, right? Once record is successfully completed, once record is successfully saved, then we want to modify, then we go for the update modification. Then we go for the update, right?
Right.
So in the CSV file, we using on the, we go for the, in the success, what is the success CSV file is there, then we can use on the, then we can use on the update operation. Then we can use on the update operation. Okay.
Okay.
So here success. This is the, just click on it. So this is success, right? Record ID is there, sector ID, bank status is item created. Why this ID is created? Why this ID is created?
To find unique information, unique records.
Yeah, in Salesforce, to insert any one single record, automatically generated one record ID, right?
Right.
So I want to modify the tech as a technical. Tech as a technical. The soft contains software. The soft contains software. Clear, right? And energy boost. Okay. And product. Products. Okay. I modified on these things. Okay, Surya and Melvin.
Yeah.
So just click on the save. Yes. Success. Save. Yes. Okay. See this one. Update. Again choose the sector object. Browse the file. Desktop. Success. Open. Next. 26 records. Okay. And map the file. ID contains record ID. Okay, sector ID contains sector ID, and name contains sector name. Clear, right? The ID contains record ID. The name contains sector name. The sector ID contains sector ID. Clear?
Yeah.
Just click on the OK. Next, finish. Yes. (26) record updated and zero records error and zero error. Just click on the view success. These all are the success and these are the errors. No errors is there.
No
No
errors found.
errors is there. Okay. Again, see this one. Just refresh the page. See, energy boost, and the products and software and technical. Updated, right? Clear?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Surya,
Yes.
okay. Then go to the delete operation. After that, we go for the upset operation. Okay. First, we go for the delete operation. Okay. Just click on the delete. Choose the operation. Success. Next. Okay. Create map. The delete operation mainly consists of the ID. Only in the ID based we can delete the records. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. Okay. (26) records will be deleted. Okay. See, they have no records. They have no records. Clear, right?
Yep.
But in the records will be there in the recycle bin. In the records will be there in the recycle bin. See? Okay.
How long? No, nothing.
15 days.
50 days, huh? 15.
No, 15. 15.
Okay.
Okay. After 15 days, it automatically deleted.
Okay.
After 15 days, it automatically deleted. Clear, right?
Okay.
15 days పడుతుందా అన్న?
15 days ఉంటుంది దాని తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా డిలీట్ అయిపోతుంది. Okay. Fine. So again, to the lightning. Sectors. See, all records will be there now. All records will be there. Clear, right?
Yep.
Okay. Next, we discuss on the upset operation. What is meant by upset operation? Both of you, anyone?
Upset.
ఏందన్నా?
What is it mean by upset? Upset.
Upset is inserting something. Upset.
Upset means simultaneously to insert the data and
Okay.
update the data. Simultaneously to insert the data and to update the data.
Alright.
Okay. And In the upset operation, mainly consists on the ID only. Based on the ID, we can work on the upset operation. Okay. See, this is a success, right? Okay. So
Okay.
I can add the some more data. 42. Okay. 43. Okay. Just I can add the more. Some changes is there. So, in the I can get the 03 frequency and customer start. Okay. Just okay. Set. Yes. Upset. Also correct. Upset. So next. Okay. Based on the ID. Next. Okay. Record ID and name and ID. Just click on OK. Next. Finish. See, 30 successfully upsets and 0 errors.
Okay.
30 records is successfully upsetted and zero errors, means no failure is there. No failure is there. Sorry, అర్థమైందా?
Hey, Nanda, what will happen? Say when you have,
Yeah.
say, 200 or 300 records to update, and in
Yeah.
that you have some duplicates coming in. So that goes
Okay.
as an error, or it'll still
Yes.
pick up
If you
everything.
given all the error. Okay, let's see. Insert operation. Okay. Sector. I go for the sectors.
Right.
Next. Okay. Next. Finish. See, 26 errors.
Okay.
To find the 26 errors.
So that's duplicate.
IDs is there.
అన్న ఎట్లా వచ్చిందన్న
Yes,
26
duplicate
ఎర్రర్స్?
IDs. నేను సేమ్ ఫైల్ ని అప్డేట్ చేశాను నేను.
Same file he updated. That is why it's come as an error.
తీసుకోదా?
తీసుకోదు. Once we have the success, okay, once you get the success CSV file, if you want to update only that file only, you can update that file only. That's the reason it's automatically generated the success file as well as the error file. That's the reason it can be generated on the success file and the error file. If you go for the insert operation, update operation, upset operation, and delete operation, in 4 operation contents we given on the success and errors CSV files. Okay. Based on that files only we can update, upset, or delete. Clear? అర్థమైందా?
Yep.
Surya, Niku? Based on the success and the error files only, we can modify the data, we can update the data, we can upset the data. Simple. Okay, na? See, in the export and export all means fine, export. Today I can forward the on the in approval process document and data loader document, whatever in the previous relationships. Melvin, how
Yep.
which document you get? Only in the basic documents, right?
Basic ones, yeah.
So okay, today I forward on the every document. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the data loader? And everything will be there. Okay, what is the insert operation? What is the update operation? What is the delete operation? What is the export operation? Everything will be there. Everything will be there. Okay, na? So
Okay.
in export operation only fetch on the in the filter data, in the filter condition, means by using on the query. Okay, only records are active. That records only it can be export.
Okay.
If you go for the export all, in recycle bin data and whatever data is available in the object, in both data it can be export. In both data it can be export. Clear, right? Surya,
Yep.
any doubt?
Yep.
ఇది ఫైల్ పంపి
Pambisa. Export and export all means in export only what are the data is active. What is the data is active in the object, that record only it can be fetched. The export all means what the data is active and recycle bin data also it can be fetched. Okay. Export. Okay. See what is your target extraction, means you can give an any name. You can give any name. Okay. Sector. Next. Yes. This is the query. On which fields you want to modify? ID and sector ID. Okay. Finish. Okay. Extract. 30 successful extractions is there. 30 successful extraction is there. View extraction. These are all the extraction. This is the record ID and this is the sector ID. Clear, right? Surya and Melvin.
ప్రతి దానికి సెక్టర్ ఐడి డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుందా?
Sector ID is different because of sector ID is comes under to this. See, Surya. This is our Salesforce. Okay. This is other third-party application.
Right.
This is third-party application like Java application. Clear, right? So in the ID name, okay, age, okay, ID name age. So ID one and name XXX and age 25, 26, okay. This is the Salesforce data. In Salesforce data, everything will be there in the IDs, right? Every data will be stored on the IDs. There, right, Surya?
Right.
So in the data you can transfer to this application. Okay, this application, it automatically there in the our own application, our own IDs, So at that time, it can be given on the sector ID or JID as your wish. JID as your wish. Depends on application, they given on the one unique IDs. Correct? Depends on application, they given on the one unique IDs. Surya, where is the student? See, this is the student ID. This is the student ID, right? This student ID you can give it. This student ID you can give it. No, right? But you can give it only for the format only. You can give it one unique format.
Yeah.
They can give it one unique format. Means this application contains this unique format. This unique format you can work on it. This unique format you can work on it. Likewise, in Salesforce they given one unique ID, one unique format, the record ID. In the Java application they given one unique format.
Okay.
Clear? So based on this thing only we can work on it. We can map on it.
Okay.
We can map on it. Melvin, you can understand?
Yep.
So what is the difference between ID and sector ID, right? In the sector ID comes under to this third party application. Means in the sectors is a third party application, not in the Java, not in the Salesforce application, right? We can install on the Salesforce application, but in the data will be insert or upset or deletion based on that IDs. Based on the data IDs, we can map on it. Based on data IDs, we can map on it.
Right.
So here, this application data we can merge on it. Clear? This application data we can insert into the sales of a Salesforce application. Salesforce application. So this, if you merge our Salesforce application to this our other application based on the IDs, only.
Nanda,
Yeah.
do we
Yes.
decide what's unique that we have to pull? Because I have a thing here. When I used to work for a sales process, so when the clients used to send us leads from Canada, we had account numbers as the default thing, which we had to pull up on the dialer. So do we decide here, or the system automatically decides what's unique here?
Automatically it can be given. In the IDs, automatically it can be given.
So IDs are a must everywhere, right?
Yes, IDs is a must. In the student ID ST002 you given. Right?
No, but what would the client send then?
Client given on the format.
But that would have IDs in it?
No, they given on the format. Once you enter the data, then automatically generate the one ID. Okay, based on that ID only we can work on it. Based on the data ID only we can work on it.
Okay.
Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
Or any doubt?
No.
Okay. Surya, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So if you go for the exporter, just
అన్ని ఫైల్స్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తామన్నా
sorry,
in export files we have to export all the files.
Export and export out means only whatever the object contains the data. What is the active data is there in the object, only that data only we can fetch on it. Okay, only fetch on the active data means this is the active data. This is the active data. Okay. Once you can delete the data, it can be there in the recycle bin. It can be there in the recycle bin. Okay. If you want to fetch the active data and the recycle bin data, you go for the exporter. You go on the exporter. Otherwise, you want to only in the active data. If you go for the export, you can go on the export.
Okay.
So, there is a, yeah. Second one. Next. Yes. This finish. Operation will be there. Why in the 30 is successful? Because of recycle bin have no data. The recycle bin contains no data. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then first of all, we go for the hard delete. Hard delete. The hard delete means we can remove the required bit permanently. Generally, if you go for the delete operation, the data will be there in the which operation? The data will be there in
Recycle
the
bin.
recycle bin. But if you go for the hard delete, the data will be
Permanently.
not there in the permanently it can be deleted. Permanently it can be deleted. But in the hard delete, this button is enabled, but this operation is not working because of this hard delete option is not there in the system admin only. System admin profile also is not there in the not access in the hard delete operation.
Okay.
Not access in the hard delete operation. Okay. So once again, hello.
Yeah.
Okay, you see this one. You need the bulk API hard delete user permission is permanently delete the data. Permanently delete the data. Okay. So, but this permission is not there in the system admin also. Not there in the system administrator also. If whatever the profile contains in the system administrator, every data will be accessed in our organization. In our organization, you know right?
Yeah.
The system administration permission is the number one permission. Number one is the permission. Everything it can be accessed. Everything it can be accessed. But in the hard delete permission also is not there in the system admin profile also. System admin profile also. Then we need to create the one permission set in the system admin profile. One permission to this. Create the one permission set in the system admin profile.
Okay.
Again, go to the setup. Manage users. Permission sets. New permission set. But license Salesforce. Next. Okay. Here system permissions. System permissions. Edit. Edit. Click on the edit. Find this one. H. See this one. Bulk API hard edit. Just click on it. Just enable this one. Just click on the save. Just click on the save. Okay. Add the permission. Add the permission. Add assignment. On which one? This one. The system administrator. Assign. The system administrator assign. సూర్య అర్థమైందా మన ఎలా పర్మిషన్ తెప్పించామని permission set. Go to the permission set. Click the new permission set. Give anyone, not tell anyone. Okay. Choose the license. On which license you need to give it on the this one. Choose this one. Already Salesforce have the permission.
Okay.
Okay, sales user. Next. But in the license contains only this one. The license content only this one. Based on the license only we can perform the operations, right? Based on the license only we can perform the operation. In the Salesforce license in the system administrator profile contains the every data. We can access the every data. We can go for the anything. Read, edit, create, anything we can perform on the Salesforce license with system administrator profile only. With system administrator profile only.
Okay.
Sorry, అర్థమైందా? Okay. Go to the file. create based on the ID. Finish. Okay. Logo. Meet the bulk API hard delete user permission. చంగా తీసుకోవడం లేదు. It is activated. System permissions. Bulk API hard delete. Permission user. User is assigned to this user.
Maybe you need a live environment or something.
No. Actually, I tried past 2 classes. I successfully completed this one. Why did I do that? I don't know. Actually, given the permission, sent to this user. This one is physically gone. User manages Salesforce and manage also success. In Saturday, we taken a class. Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you take the Saturday and Sunday classes, then we can complete on the Tuesday. Most probably it's Tuesday. Actually, I plan to close on the approval process and the data loader in today's session. But in the approval process, it taken another 1 hour session is there.
Okay.
Yeah. And I can check on it this one. Why it can
I'm okay with Saturday, Sunday.
Surya.
Okay, man.
Niku? Okay,
Okay, man. 24/7.
But I'm not available in the 24 hours. Okay. I need some rest. You know what? Completely morning 11 I started this one. Afternoon 1 hour take the rest, lunch break. Okay, after that I taken one more call in Skype. And morning 12 to 12:30, 12:40 one call is there. After 2:30 to 3:30 one call is there. Okay. Next again go to the sitting on the laptop. Middle of the half an hour I take a tea going outside. Then again they're in the laptop.
Okay. You don't go out, huh? You get sticks on your
Yeah.
ass otherwise.
Yes.
No, thing, man. In
Everything.
India also there are many cases.
You
India,
know
I
what?
think
In last 2 days, almost all cases will be high in the 10 times. It can be high. 10
I think
times. Only just past 2 days.
it's almost crossed a
In
lakh, I
morning,
guess.